Hello friends, welcome to K.L.R tutorial point. Thank you for your support. For more knowledge, please do subscribe, like and share to your friends. In this video, I am going to explain about series and finite, infinite series. Let us start the topic. Series. The sum of the terms of a sequence is called series. Let us see. If A1, A2, A3, A4 is a sequence, then the expression A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is known as series. And each number in pattern is called term. Finite and infinite series. Let us move on to topic. Finite series and infinite series. A series which contains finite number of terms is called a finite series. Otherwise, it is called infinite series. Let us take two examples. Example 1 is finite series, and second one is infinite series. Example 1, here 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus so on plus 22 is a finite series. That means here we can find there are 22 terms. So it is a finite series. And second example is for infinite series. Here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on. These are infinite series. That means here there is no specific terms. There are terms, but there is no specific terms are given. So it is. In this video, we learned about the concept of series, which means the sum of the terms of a sequence is called series. And we have learned about finite series and infinite series, which means a series which contains finite number of terms is called a finite series, and otherwise it is called infinite series.